Are you currently struggling with morning sickness? What if I told you that the answer to your nausea and vomiting is sitting pretty in your kitchen? Today, let's talk about the power of ginger over nausea and vomiting in pregnant women. Hi, my name is still Pharmacist Chinedu, and I'm going to be your health guide on today's topic. Come along. According to research, close to 80% of women who are pregnant suffer from morning sickness, especially in their first trimester. This period is usually very challenging for them, but luckily, nature has found an answer in ginger. Ginger contains two natural constituents called gingerol and shogaol. This calms your stomach and reduces nausea. How? By speeding up the digestion process and stopping the sending of nausea signals to the brain. It's like a natural source of anti-nausea medication, but without the side effects. The American College of Gynecologists and Obstetricians, as well as the UK's National Health Service, recognizes ginger as a source of cure to nausea and vomiting in pregnant women. Many women are usually very scared of taking medication when they are pregnant because of the safety of their child, and this is very valid. Their fears are actually very valid. But I'm here with a good news. Ginger is actually very safe for them during pregnancy. Let's now compare ginger with other conventional anti-nausea medication, and let's see how ginger is going to perform. I'm going to be showing you my screen right now. These advantages are the reasons more supplement brands are adding ginger to their supplement brands for women. Here is the best part. Ginger comes in different forms. It comes as a tea that you can sip, it comes as a candy that you can chew on, and it also comes as a capsule. And the recommended dose is actually 1000 milligrams in a day, and that dose is actually very safe. But here is the thing: before you start taking ginger supplements, make sure you talk to your doctor to be sure that there are no health implications or there are no other drugs that you're taking that can actually affect the efficacy of those drugs because you're combining them with ginger. But here's the thing: you don't have to go looking for ginger root to chew. Health brands are now including ginger in their vitamin supplement for pregnant women. So if you want to know some of these brands, leave me a comment in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. I would implore you to subscribe if you found this information very useful, and share this information with moms to be, because they will be needing this information. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.